inside. Good half play. Good look. Oh, nice little step back. We took the last one. It goes to inside. Good look. Goes in. The defense. Good. Goes to another one. There it is. Good tempo. Great pass. Great teamwork. Good Michael Brill. Goes to two. There it is, good ball for two. Nice one, this nice look. Rebound again, private straight in success. We're tied at 9 apiece. 5:25 to play. Goes for two. We're 2-point lead to take Queensland. 11-9. Anyone's ball now. Good side. Side step. The look. Well, nice. Beautiful play. There we go, great pass off of the screen, excellent play. Beautiful.